So this is another type of pictorial projection, which is isometric projection. Here, when we are going to draw objects in isometric, we are going to use this set square, that is the 30 degrees, 60 degrees set square. And you have to bear in mind that the angle which is used is 30 degrees. That is, if this is a horizontal line, the line of depth will make 30 degrees with the horizontal, and the width will make 30 degrees as well with the horizontal. In contrast with oblique projection, where you are using 45 degrees for the depth, here we use 30 degrees for the depth, and the width as well, we use 30 degrees with the horizontal. So let us start the work. So this is cubes and cuboids in isometric. Example, draw in isometric projection given the following views. So we have a front view here and a top view. The informations that we can extract are the height, H capital, which is 40, the width, which is 80, and finally the depth, which is 30. The depth is the vertical dimension in the top view. This is 30. So once we have the following information, that is the height, the width, and the depth, we can start to draw our cuboid. So let us start. I'm going to take a ruler. I place it here along the edge of my paper, and then I draw a faint line like this. Then I'm going to use my 30 degrees set square. This is the bigger one and this is a smaller one. So here I'm going to select a point, for example here, and then I will draw a vertical line like this from this point. This will denote the height of the cuboid, that is 40, and I'm going to measure it 40, that is 4 centimeters. I put a mark. Now I place my ruler again here, and then I take my set square. You have to observe carefully, I'm using this angle. This is 30 degrees, not this one. This is 60, this is 30 degrees. So we place it like this, and then from this point I draw a line, and then I turn the set square in this position. I'm still using the 30 degrees angle, and then I draw another line like this. Now this dimension will denote the width, which is 80. So I measure it 80. I put a mark here at 8 centimeters, and then the depth is 30. So this has to be 3 centimeters, which is 30 millimeters. This is 30. Now I'm going to complete the cuboid. In fact, it's a crate. And then I'm going to use these 3 reference points in order to complete the cuboid. So I'm going to slide the ruler like this until it reaches this point, and then from here I draw a line like this, and then I turn the set square like this, And then from this point, I draw another line. Now I put the ruler horizontally like this, and then I move the set square like this in order to draw vertical lines. I'm going to put it like this, using this right angle in order to draw vertical lines. So we have this line, and then I slide it along the ruler until it reaches this point. I draw another line. Now to complete it, I put the set square back like this, and then I draw a line from this point where these two lines have intersected. To complete it, I'm going to draw a line from this point until it meets this line. Now we have to make the object darker. That is, I'm going to draw the final shape of the cuboid using the correct tone. So I'm going to make it darker. And then here, you have to remember well that all the lines which we have drawn, these are called construction lines. And you have to leave these lines for the examiner to be able to see what are the different steps which you have used in order to obtain the final answer. So no need to erase off all these surplus lines. So this is our final answer for the following example.